Dear students, a very good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are good and stay home, be healthy. So dear students, today in mathematics of class 10 in quadratic equation as we are studying, we are going to study the 13th part of this chapter. Today we are going to learn about the solutions of the sums of exercise 4.4. So let us see the first question. Question first is, find the nature of roots of the quadratic equation if the real root exists, then find them. Means we have to first decide what will be the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation. As first part we have taken 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. After deciding its nature, if the roots are real, then we have to find the roots also. And if the roots are not real, if the roots are that no real roots are, then no need to find them. So let us first of all find the nature of the roots of this equation. So first of all, in order to solution of this equation, first we have to compare this equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. As standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. After comparing, you have to find out the value of a, b and c. As a is the coefficient of x square here, so here the a is the coefficient of x square is 2. So this is the value of a. Afterwards b is the coefficient of x, so b is equals to minus 3 and c is constant term, so c is equals to 5. So to decide the nature of the roots of this equation, we have to find out the value of discriminant first of all. So as you know that discriminant is equals to p square minus 4ac. Now substitute the value of a, b and c over here. B is equals to minus 3. So you can write minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 2, into c is 5. Let us simplify. Square of minus 3 is plus 9, minus 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40. So you got 9 minus 40, which gives you minus 31. As the value of d is minus 31, which is negative value. As the value of d is negative, so the nature of roots are decided. What is, as you have read in the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, if the value of d is negative, then this equation has no real roots. Therefore, equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0 has no real roots. Okay children, if there is no real roots, so no need to find them, because here it is given in the question, if the real roots exist, then find them. So here no real roots exist, therefore no need to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Right children? So dear students, now in this question number 1, let us take the part number 3. As in this 3 part, equation is given 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals to 0. So once again, as in the first part we have compared this equation with the standard form, so we got the value of a, b and c. So after comparing, the value of a is 2, value of b is minus 6 and value of c is 3. So a is the coefficient of x square over here, so 2 is the coefficient of x square here also. So after getting the value of a, b and c, we have to find out the value of discriminant. as d is equals to d square minus 4ac, substitute the values of b, a and c. b is minus 6, square of minus 6, minus 4 into a is 2, into c is 3. So 6 minus square is plus, 6 6 are 36, minus 4 2 is 8, 3 is 24. So 36 minus 24 is equals to 12, which is greater than 0, it means it is the positive value. As the value of d discriminant is positive, means greater than 0, therefore equation has real roots. Now, as the equation has real roots, then find their roots also, as in the question is given. Find them. So let us find the roots of that equation also. So as we have read in the quadratic formula, the roots are from quadratic formula we know that x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2 into a. Now substitute these values. Minus b, minus of b is minus 6, so minus 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, which is d, and d is equals to 12. So substitute here. The value of d is 12 divided by 2 into a, and the value of a is 2. Now solve it, you will get 6 plus minus, and it can be written as 2 root 3, 2 under root 3, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, divided by 2 2s are 4. Now take 2 as a common, you will get 3 plus minus under root 3 whole divided by 4. Now simplify it. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So you got the two roots are as the value of x came, x equals to 3 plus minus under root 3 divided by 2. So the first root x is equals to 3 plus under root 3 divided by 2, and the second value of x is equals to 3 minus under root 3 divided by 2, which is your answer, children. Right? So see the solutions carefully, children. So here, as x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, so this under root value is the discriminant, as you got, plus 12. So minus of b is equals to minus 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, which was 12, into 2 into a is 2. So 6 minus minus plus 6 plus minus under root 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, means it is the value of square root 12 divided by 4, and after simplifying we got the value of x, which is 3 plus minus under root 3 divided by 2. So the first value is 3 plus under root 3 upon 2, and second value is 3 minus root 3 upon 2. That is your answer, right? Okay, dear students, now let us see the solution of second question. And second question is given: find the values of k for each of the following equations so that they have two equal roots. As in this question, there are two parts are given. So one part I am going to explain you, second part you have to solve it. Right? As in the question it is given so that the equation have two equal roots. So first of all we have to learn that what is the condition, what is the nature of roots, that the nature of roots are two equal roots. So what will be the condition, what will be the value of discriminant of this, as discriminant decides the nature of roots. As the nature of roots are given, since equation has two equal roots, therefore the value of discriminant is equals to 0, as we have read in our earlier classes. So as d is equals to 0, therefore the value of d is b square minus 4ac equals to 0, right? So let us suppose that this is equation number 1. Now you have to find out the value of a, b and c from the equation by conversion of this equation with the standard form. So comparing the equation, by ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we get a is equals to 2, b is equals to k, and c is equals to 3. After getting the values of this a, b and c, we have substitute these values in equation number 1. So as you have b square minus 4ac equals to 0, for the equation has two equal roots. Now substitute the value of a, b and c. As b is k, so k square minus 4 into a is 2, so a is 2 and c is 3. Substitute here. So k square, 4 to 8 is a 24. So minus 24 equals to 0. So k square equals to 24. So k is equals to plus minus square root 24. Right? Now this square root 24 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 6 are 24. So the value of k is plus minus 2 under root 6. Right, children? So as you have to see the condition. Condition is given two equal roots. So for being two equal roots, you know that discriminant is equals to 0. As discriminant is equals to 0, so b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Substitute the values of a, b and c in this equation. K square minus 4 into 2 into 3, as 2 is a and 3 is c. So we got 4 to 8, 3 is 24. K square minus 24 equals to 0. So k square is equals to 24. So k